There comes a time in a man's life when he wakes up one morning, looks in the mirror, and quietly asks himself, "What happened to me?" The energy isn't the same. The mornings feel heavier. The spark, the drive, that masculine edge, it's not gone, but it's dimmed. If you've ever felt that way, I want you to know this. You are not broken. You're not getting too old. And no, you don't have to accept fatigue, low drive, and fading confidence as just part of aging. You can bring your manhood back to life, and it starts with what you do each morning. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple 3-step morning routine that helps reignite your vigor, your focus, and your natural vitality as a man. No gimmicks, no expensive supplements, just powerful, science-backed habits that help your body remember what it was designed to do. But before we dive in, I want to ask you something personal. When was the last time you woke up feeling truly alive? That strong, clear-headed, confident feeling that makes you want to take on the day? Tell me in the comments below, because that answer will tell you where your starting point is. And if you've lost that spark, don't worry. I'll show you how to get it back. Let's begin. The first step of this morning routine is something I call the wake-up reset. The moment you open your eyes before checking your phone or scrolling through messages, sit up and take 3 deep, deliberate breaths. In through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2, out through your mouth for 6. Feel your chest expand, your lungs open, and your mind sharpen. You see, breathing like this isn't just relaxing, it signals your nervous system to shift out of survival mode. Most men today live in constant low-level stress. Their cortisol levels spike early, their testosterone drops, and their energy crashes by mid-morning. Deep, controlled breathing first thing in the morning resets that hormonal balance. It's like pressing the power button on your masculine energy system. Once you've done your 3 deep breaths, get out of bed and stand tall. Open your chest, roll your shoulders back. Posture isn't just physical, it's hormonal. When you stand tall, you actually increase testosterone and decrease stress hormones. The body leads, the mind follows. Now, step 2, circulate and awaken. Your body is a masterpiece of blood vessels, muscles, and hormones that all depend on one thing: good circulation. And guess what suffers most when you sit too much, sleep poorly, or skip movement? Circulation to the areas that make you feel like a man. You don't need a gym for this, you just need 5 minutes. Here's what I do, and I recommend you try it tomorrow morning. Start with 20 slow squats. Feel the muscles in your legs and hips come alive. Then 10 push-ups. Even if you modify them, do what you can. After that, march in place for 1 minute, swinging your arms and breathing deeply. This light movement wakes up your metabolism, boosts blood flow, and increases nitric oxide, the very molecule that helps your blood vessels relax and deliver oxygen efficiently. That means better energy, better focus, and yes, better performance where it matters most. Think of it like priming the engine. If you start your morning with stillness and stress, your system stays sluggish all day. But if you move your body, even for 5 minutes, you're sending a powerful message to your cells. We're alive, we're strong, and it's time to perform. Now, on to the third step, fuel your fire the right way. Most men ruin their mornings by loading up on sugar, refined carbs, or skipping breakfast altogether. And when your blood sugar spikes and crashes, your hormones follow. Instead, I want you to start your day with what I call the 3 pillars of male energy: hydration, protein, and micronutrients. First, water. Drink 1 full glass the moment you finish your short exercise routine. Add a pinch of sea salt or a squeeze of lemon if you like. It replenishes electrolytes and wakes up your digestion. Dehydration alone can drop your energy and concentration by 20 to 30% before you've even started your day. Next, protein. Within an hour of waking, Aim for around 20 to 30 grams of quality protein. Eggs, Greek yogurt, or a clean protein shake. Protein feeds your muscles and stabilizes your blood sugar, but it also gives your body the raw material to produce testosterone and dopamine, your drive and focus hormones. And finally, micronutrients, specifically magnesium, zinc, and vitamin D. I'm not telling you to take anything without checking with your doctor, but I will say this. These nutrients are critical for male vitality. They support muscle function, hormone balance, and restful sleep, all the foundations of your manhood. So that's your 3-step morning routine. Breathe and reset, circulate and awaken, then fuel your fire. It takes less than 15 minutes, but the impact builds every single day. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, can something that simple really make a difference? I hear that all the time from my patients, and here's what I tell them. Yes, because consistency beats intensity. It's not about how hard you push one day, it's about what you repeat every day. Most men lose their vitality not because they're weak or lazy, but because they drift away from small, powerful habits that used to make them feel alive. They stop moving, stop breathing deeply, stop taking care of their morning energy, and over time, that spark fades. But when you rebuild it, even with something as simple as this, your body remembers. You start waking up with purpose again. Your focus sharpens, your motivation returns, and you begin to feel like yourself again, the man you know you can be. I'll tell you something interesting. When I started teaching this routine to my clients, the first change they noticed wasn't physical, it was mental. They told me, I feel more like me again. That confidence, that sense of control over your own energy is the real victory. And here's the truth. When your energy rises, everything in your life improves. Your relationships, your mood, your productivity, your health. You stop reacting to the day and start leading it. That's the essence of masculine vitality. Not just physical strength, but the ability to move through life with clarity, calm, and conviction. If you're watching this and feeling stuck, if your mornings have become something you just survive instead of enjoy, I want you to try this tomorrow, not next week, not when you have time. Tomorrow morning, before you grab your phone, before you think about work, do your 3 breaths, your 5 minutes of movement, and your morning fuel. Then come back here and tell me what you felt. Even after one day, you'll notice a difference, a lightness, a clearer head, a steadier mood. And if you keep going for a week, your body will begin to thank you in ways you can feel. I've seen men in their 50s, 60s, even 70s regain energy and vitality they thought was long gone. Because your body is capable of more than you think. It just needs the right signal. And that signal starts every morning. Remember, your morning sets the tone for your entire day. If you begin your day from a place of strength, presence, and nourishment, your body responds. Hormones rebalance, blood flow improves, stress fades, and confidence returns. So here's my challenge to you. Commit to this 3-step morning routine for just 7 days. 7 mornings. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Do this, and you'll not only bring your manhood back to life, you'll feel more grounded, more alive, and more in control than you have in years. Because in the end, being a strong man isn't about age. It's about energy. It's about alignment. It's about choosing every morning to show up for yourself before the world demands anything from you. So tomorrow morning, take that first breath, move your body, fuel your fire, and watch what happens next. Your energy isn't gone. It's waiting for you to wake it up.